Hey everybody, Donald with Topwolf Automotive, and this video is a Craftsman Toolbox tour. Stay tuned. Alrighty everybody, once again this is my Craftsman 41-inch two-piece toolbox. This is going to be a rundown of a toolbox tour. I'm doing this kind of freehand, so sorry about the shaky video, but let's get into it. Like I said, it is a two-piece. You got a top and a bottom. And if anybody would like to send some stickers my way, you can go right ahead and do them, because I can use some stickers. Alright, let's get into it. Where do we start? Let's just start from the top, I guess. Two-piece locking. Casters are real nice. Hydraulic lifts. Said I haven't had this box a whole lot, but this is my first toolbox tour. Brief. Some of this will get changed in and out as I go along here, but see on my right hand side here, got my batteries, charging systems up and going. Keep my batteries. That's the main difference between my two boxes, is where I got this. Got my Bluetooth speaker. My two DeWalt 20 volts, one brushless, one not. Measuring devices, all that kind of good stuff, extra lights, brakes cleaner. Like I said, send me some stickers. Start with this side over here. This first drawer is kind of the personal drawer. Pens and eye protection, ear protection, scale, a couple old-time flashlights that I have, and old stickers and cards and magnets and pencils and all that stuff there. And to this right side drawer, top big drawer, I need to change something over so I can see the screen. But this is my drill drawer. Drill bits, all kind of stuff. I got my brake tool, lubricants and penetrating oil, Craftsman magnet tray, my drill out extractor bits, some miscellaneous stuff in there. So that's that one. The next long drawer, where I keep my wrenches, Craftsman, Harbor Freight stubbies mixed in there. Raised panel Craftsmans. I haven't had any issue with them. Okay, continue on, because I had a battery problem issue. Definitely going to need some new batteries for my camera. They're quite old and time for new ones. Continuing on, this next drawer down is where I got my large croissant ridges, my 12, 10, and my 8. Got some wire crimpers, my Orbis pliers, my window crank or removal tool. On the right big side here, next drawer down, got all my sockets, 3/8 to 1/2 inch deep wells, and the shallow sockets. All in there. Impacts, blue Loctite, and all that fun stuff. Soft close drawers. Next to it, where I keep my ratchets, 3/8 to, 1/4 inch to the 1/2 inch. My go-to, my Craftsman flex head. Do have a snap-on 1/2 inch. And my go-to 1/4 flex head, Craftsman. Be in that drawer. Alrighty, moving down. The second box. The cart side of it. This is my Diagnostics Electrical drawer. Craftsman multimeter, leads, my cheap scanner, miscellaneous stuff in there. Alrighty, I had to reset my camera here. Having all kind of difficulties, but the next drawer open over from the electrical drawer, diagnostic drawer, gloves. Keep my soldering iron over here. Gloves, all that good stuff. And beneath that, I have my torque wrench, miscellaneous drill bits, my 10mm socket set that I built, and my master thread restoring kit is in that drawer. Moving on to the drawer over is my fender cover protector, Craftsman, and the one under that is my paper miscellaneous type drawer. Future video on that. Just my paper information drawer. The one next to that is my hammers, punches. Just seen my Craftsman set there. Wire brushes, my hammers. This is set number 1 of the hammers I got. I got another set just like it in the truck, and I've got one of these and one of these in my camping set with a regular claw hammer as well. So all in all, about, I don't know, 15 to 20 hammers I got. Little chisel set there, Pittsburgh. Scraper setter. Down here I got my air tools. I got a little rolly thing for tools, knee pads. A little weak on the air tool side, but gonna work on that after Christmas. Let's go ahead to the bottom drawer. On this side is absolutely nothing. Future. And the bottom right drawer is where I keep my cordless 18-volt Chicago Electric. I have my awesome impact. Got a light and an impact driver. 18-volt Chicago Electric. All day, every day. And that is what I got for right now. That's my Craftsman Toolbox, how I got it set up. So I'm actually using my Harbor Freight roll cart as a roll cart, the way it should be, instead of a tool storage location. But that's it. Let me see if I can't get this turned around here, so bear with me. Try getting some light or something, but I guess that'll work. Alrighty. I appreciate your views. Hang with me. Your comments and any suggestions, as always, guys. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.